Hello you all! Today I'm going to show you how I make the ultimate, most delicious vegetarian one-pot chili. So let's go do it. Start by shredding all the carrots. If you don't have a shredder, you could use a knife and cut these into nice small pieces, and this is what you have. Let's cut up the celery into nice bite-sized pieces. So all you got to do is mix in all the veggies into a pot with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and continue to cook until everything is translucent. Now we added the tomatoes, the can of tomatoes, and we'll let that cook for a bit before adding our beans. And there you have it. Everything is all mixed in. We're going to let this cook and simmer for 30 minutes. And there you have it. My meatless vegetarian chili, topped off with nice cheddar cheese, some avocado slices, fresh lime, some nice corn chips. Oh, delicious. Try it today.